Comment de passage le bout?
Et puis c'est drapeau, passez. Le drapeau.
And then we return back.
This is not your typical, oh, a celebrity is getting paid to put his name on something so he can cash in type of project. I'm going to be in my car or at lunch, and if I have a thought, I'm going to literally record it into my phone.
No,
It's only on Sirius XM, so get the app and listen in.
Son un peu obsolète, c'est là pour la